Out for a camp up in Dunny Water. Wee spot that I've camped at a few times. And yeah, I'm out with a few guys, as I mentioned. James out and about, Adventures Dave and Lewis. And Johnny Outdoors might be arriving at some stage as well. I think he might be coming in a different way, maybe from Carrick Little. Might do a bit of exploring as well around the forest to see what sort of damage there is about the place and see if there's any potential future spots over winter and stuff. Over there. So this is where we're gonna pitch for tonight, and there's fire pits everywhere. It's a popular spot here, so yeah. So we're gonna utilize this one. Got to be cooking over the fire. So yeah, this big fire pit that's here, we'll use it. I'll use it for cooking, and I'd say there's probably slim pickings of firewood here, because the popular spot in the end of summer is probably picked clean. But we'll see what we can get. I have the saw and the axe with me anyway, so take care of most things. How's it going?
Not bad. This is exactly where I thought it was.
Yeah?
Aye. Dave told me last night.
How's it going, man?
I did. Nice to meet you, Andy.
How about you, Johnny?
Aye, not bad. Aye. I'll get round and say hello to everyone here.
Yeah.
So, well. Alright, Dave. Aye, good, good.
I sent a search party for you, but
That was easy enough to find, so it was. Nice to meet you.
this is Lewis, my future son-in-law.
Shitty one.
Hello, are you alright? Alright, yes.
Not bad.
So out in the hammock tonight, so I'm going to go between these two trees here, and we're going to have the fire just down there, and the guys are just pitching around here. Get the tree huggers on first, and I'm hoping there's far enough gap between the trees. Looks okay. That's the hammock all set up then, and yeah, just have to get the seat sorted out, and then start collecting wood, because I need a good fire for doing the cooking. I've got a few nice beers out with me tonight. Mourne Mountain Brewery, IPAs and a couple of stouts from the Mourne Mountain Brewery. I was at the pop-up tap room that they have in Warren Point, and they have it over like bank holidays and things like that, and stopped in for a few and chatting to them. And so yeah, got a nice branded t-shirt and some beers to taste tonight. So stout, I do like McGuinness. I haven't really ventured out away from that, apart from maybe Murphy's the odd time. So I've got a few stout to try, and then there's 3 IPAs. So yeah, looking forward to trying them. But this session IPA is very nice, quite light, so a nice refreshing one just to have at the start of camp here. Get some water from the river here. Good fast flow on it. Doesn't take long to fill the bag. Lovely river this. Some nice pools in it as well. Probably a few wee fish in here. Got a load of wood there and powerful thirst on, so happy trails should do the trick.
It's supposed to be
I don't know what I do now.
What is it?
Mountain IPA, very nice.
Sure, just load him up. He wants to bodybuild.
That's the fire lit and a couple of good logs on it. Get a good fire, a bed of coals for cooking on, and we'll have to sort of get it done early enough. The midgies are desperate.
It's funny how everybody's
We've all got the hair nets on, like the fire's lit, so hopefully that'll improve things a little bit, but driving us demented. But we just have to grin and bear it. Out with Lewis and Dave, and we've got Johnny from the Johnny Outdoors, and we've got James from James Out and About also. And not a Scouser, no. And yeah, fires going, midgies are disappearing. And yeah, get this burnt down a good bit. Got a fiery going prawn curry, and over the fire in the zebra pot, just chuck it all in, and load of naan bread, so should be very tasty. It's one of my favourites.
You on a Wednesday or Thursday? So yeah, it's just class. You can go up to the summits and you can wake up like 10 or 11 and there's still nobody. You know what I mean? But if you do it on a Saturday, there's people up from 7 o'clock.
The odd fella one asked me about that.
So on a Calibrant American stout. It's a collaboration with Bullhouse Brew Company. And stout, so
It's like a 5-second rule.
yeah,
Music
give it a go.
You can take out
I say
3 or 4 seconds.
it's mostly Guinness or Murphy's. I would have stout wise.
What song it is, don't you?
Imagine there was back in the day, because when I used to do.
Yeah, very nice. Bit of a coffee, twinge of it. Lovely.
Come back. Yeah. Didn't even fly up there.
So,
and then come back and then
get dinner on.
Carried it the whole way up. I was trying the backpack, keep trying to go.
So I've got 2 bags of prawns. So loads of prawns. And loads of veg. Got the zebra pot. I'm not sure what size this one is. Big, that's for sure. Mushrooms, peppers, shallots, coriander, fresh coriander, garlic, and a couple of the kits. Spice Tailor or something it is. Fiery going curry.
That's the first time I met him.
So yeah, a lot of chopping.
You know what I mean? Start meeting different campers.
First off,
we
Leave
had
the
this
mushrooms to
in our
one side,
welcome
actually.
mass. It's been out for years.
So we need
But it
them
was just
later.
a handful of it. I think there was about 7 or 8 of it, and that was it for years. So we didn't want to make it public.
There's the
It was
garlic
the same as
later
the, you know,
too.
like the what's up?
And that's
Yeah.
the
It was the same as that.
kit, so there's like
And
a
then after a
sauce,
while, he said,
paste.
"Should we start making it public?" We said, "Aye."
and then there's a bag of
members now or something like.
Ah, something stupid.
lime leaves, chili, cloves, and whole black pepper. Peppers.
Expecting to go on there straight away and go.
So we've got 2 of those kits,
Views ever.
a load of
Camp-
shallots,
camp
so
before
that's
we
the first thing we're going to be
find it,
putting up is the shallots.
You can't just get
And then we've got peppers as well,
It's crazy when you think.
load of peppers, red, yellow, orange.
Experienced people head up there.
So all in that pot, big
I'll
pot.
see them.
First thing we're going to do is
That's it.
heat some oil up.
I think that's an actual. It's an older one.
Good bit of oil. And we're going to heat that up and get the herbs in.
Aye, there's you trying to record yourself in the night.
But then look, that's low light.
What's that under?
What?
A wee packet.
Yeah.
That's the kit.
Talking like that.
Oh, right. I
yeah,
know.
no.
Please seal them
No, it's
yourself.
crap. I used to have to do it in the tent.
No, no, no.
2 or 3 lights shining at your face.
Fast.
Do you have? Yeah.
I need to buy this kit. What would be better, right? I could hire you out to make this for me and my wife, and then you take all the credit.
Okay,
I'll take all the credit.
The threesome, like, is it?
Like a what?
A threesome? Menage a trois, is it?
No, I mean you just make it and then you go home.
Oh, right, right.
And then we'll eat it.
And you get all the glory?
No,
That
I'll
doesn't
give
sound
you
right.
glory, but I'll eat it.
Morning glory and everything with it.
Yeah, morning glory.
So I just need a boil in the bag thing. I can't be arsed with all this cooking stuff, you know. Just throw it in a pot.
I would turn this off, mind it better.
I can taste it already, and he hasn't even made it yet.
Here, I'm going to do that bit again.
Hang on a second.
Aye, we missed that.
Give me a minute.
The pot,
Please start the fire up.
So what are we on now? We're adding the spices at the minute, yeah.
Yeah, just a bit of oil
I need to know this so I can
and the spices to get them activated, really. Like.
activate it. This is for
Warm it through.
Back this whenever I surprise the wife.
And then we'll get the shallots in.
The
a bit of
curry.
water.
I'll know what to do now. Even though I'll not have a fire,
We don't want to burn them.
but you can use this.
You can make one in the garden, couldn't you?
I suppose you can get the fire going, like the barbecue going maybe. I need one of these tins. Originally I thought, oh, they just got a print.
It'd be over 3,000.
Have you got them so saved?
The show up, you know, whenever you go into YouTube studio,
Yeah.
the show up there, but whenever you go into earn,
Bit of water.
I should, I didn't think about that.
Too bad, like I mean, I was nearly at 3,000 watch hours and thought that was alright.
Signal.
No, just on the
I'll be
right
covered.
central firmware version.
Off them way, alright,
I know.
Did you want light and fire?
I
Or you got to stay still?
Firebox.
I'll probably go for a fire.
They would have walked straight into me probably.
Oh, yeah.
I was, see back then, right? I had my camera and stuff and my drone and all at the time. The camera. And I pulled out the camera and then I thought, nah, I felt wick. And then, like, when he's doing his bit, you don't really, because it's like his, suppose you think it's
On purpose. Like, do you know, if you're standing straight like this with the camera, some people like zoom in quickly to your face and then come back out. So keep doing that. So you might just be standing there looking forward, but like, do you know, if it keeps panning in and out of my picture, people say it takes the edge off it. Aye. I'd rather just walk down the street and go, oh, look at it. Aye.
I do the same in the night.
Yeah.
Pretty much everything.
Camps up the Mournes, I'm going to be doing different spots. A few of my videos have been in the same locations. I think that's what's put us off, do you know what I mean? Because it's been the same spots with the same walk.
I've done that a whole bunch.
Yeah.
And once I upload it,
Yeah.
it's gone. I wouldn't watch them back.
Be short
It's tucked up on it.
Stick this and warm this through it, and then we'll take it off, and then we can, if you want to prep some more again.
Well, we still got a pair there as well.
Some
Maybe
wee
a couple
bits
of the
maybe.
firelocks.
Some of the wee bits.
Saw there,
No,
nice
don't put
there.
firelocks on it. Put
you.
the
One,
the
two,
nan
three,
on.
four.
Up
Part of
the
them are in the
before
head of
we
this
pierce
part.
it, directly on it. We'll warm this through.
I like Cyprus. I remember that. This big, massive tree growing up the middle, and I went up for this meze, and Jesus ate so much we couldn't fucking walk after it.
Probably not bad. When I was doing on the tours on the January, I was offered to go to China and everything when I was younger. Australia, I wish I did
That's
now.
the secret place, remember that? Wet your hands.
So I'm going to crack this Rainbow Warrior, a juicy pale ale. Should go nice with the curry. And I think this one's a limited edition from Mourne Mountain Brewery. And yeah, I'm just admiring the artwork on the cans. It's fantastic. The wraps that they have on them, the artwork and photography is class. Mostly depicting scenery from the Mournes. But yeah, very cool.
On me on the soul,
So that's the curry and a couple of naan breads, and a few more naan breads as well. And yeah. What's it like, Dave?
Top class, like, unbelievable.
Nice.
It's fiery, like, but it's just right.
It's hot, but nice.
Oh,
nice hot.
It's like hotel, better than hotel quality. Couldn't beat it.
Well done.
Okay, hotel, restaurant quality.
Getting a bit of breakfast on, some instant porridge and a cup of coffee.
Can't find it. There's salt and pepper in the army package. It's you got it. Oh, happy days.
I've always just missed it.
Should have brought sugar in there's good job. Alright, good job.
Remember the last time I brought one of them just for breakfast and busted me bag?
So all fed and watered. Well, breakfast. James is away. He left early. Stuff to do at home. So yeah, we'll just be sitting about chatting for another while. I'm going to get packed up now, get all broke down and ready to go, and then we'll get this fire pit tidied up a bit. Well, we're gonna go for a bit of explore about. Whenever we get all packed up, we're gonna go for a look around some of the other bits of the forest, see if there's any other pitches about, and see if my old pitch that I had before, see what sort of shape it's in. That's the bag all packed and tidied up, all the litter and stuff like that, and sort of tidied the fire pit a bit. It was already there anyway. We put a load of stones underneath so it's not going to damage the ground any further, and we'll leave it as is because it will be used again. Better to have stones there than not using stones. So going to go for a bit of a walk around sort of the top bit of the forest, see if there's anything about there, and then we'll head on down Dunny Water back to the cars.
Listen, me and Andy have just come from this way to race. Dave and Lewis, and they're just coming back.
Oh, was it just there?
Hi.
Yeah, we were just up
It's nice
over that
to join us.
crest.
We've been sitting here for 10 minutes. We were on this a cup of tea on some work. That's sick. I've been watching you. You talk shit.
I thought I heard something breaking.
What?
I thought I heard it breaking sticks right
There's
there.
boys in there.
Right,
You know,
so
I just fancied a nice path. Or I break my leg down that.
I'm going to go this way.
Oh,
And
right.
all these guys are going this way. So great
Sorry.
on the camp with you guys.
Nice
We'll
meeting you.
definitely do it again.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll get that again.
I'll throw links for anyone's channels. Martin, maybe because he doesn't make videos anymore.
And you get there.
That brown there, that brown's not a mountain cow.
No, that's their bullocks. They're big burgers. I know. They get castrated when they're young.
So that's us nearly up to the gate, on the way back to the car, and I'll leave the video here. The guys, the other guys that I was out with, I'll put their YouTube channel names, their links or whatever into my description. And yeah, if you've watched this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.